Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Android device. Ensure Android 7, 0 or higher and Bgmi are installed. That matters because older stacks handle DNS differently. Next, obtain a Smart DNS service and note both primary and secondary DNS IPs. This is essential. Once done, make sure any VPN is turned off and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid mobile carrier DNS overrides. Then open Settings, go to Network and Internet, and tap Wi-Fi. You are ready to modify the network configuration now. You now modify the Wi-Fi configuration to use the Smart DNS IPs. Long press your network, choose Modify Network, then Advanced Options or IP Settings, and switch to static or manual DNS fields. This is where you paste the primary and secondary DNS. Save and reconnect. This forces the device to resolve game domains through the Smart DNS. Next, validate the change. Run a DNS leak test app or ping Bgmi endpoints. If the response routes through the provider, you have confirmed the redirection is active and ready. You can now open Bgmi and confirm region or ping improvements. If the game shows region errors or fails to connect, clear the app cache and relaunch. Make sure to restart the app after any DNS change. If latency increases, switch DNS back to automatic and test another Smart DNS server offered by your provider. Comparative testing matters because routes differ. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot the router and your Android device, then reapply the Smart DNS. This clears cached DNS records and often resolves lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.